Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn map in Go languages. Map is just like a dictionary in Python, and in Java also we have a hash map, similar way to store the values in Go languages. What is the map? Map means we have a key value pair. Just we understand with example, like we have a temp variable and I say here create a map of string key and value of integer type. Like this, I say temp, I say daily is the key and the temperature of this daily is 35 degree, like this. If I say temp and I say here that Muradnagar temperature is 31, like this. I say temp Ghaziabad, then temperature is 32, like this. So this is key, this is value, this is key, this is value, this is key, this is value. So map is key and value pair. So I say fmt.print and here I just print the temp here and I save it and I run it, and you see the Ghaziabad, Delhi, Muradnagar is displaying the information in key and value pair. And we can also display in this way. If I say var and I say Delhi and here I say temp temperature of Delhi, like this, and I just print Delhi, like this, and I save it and I run it, and you see the temperature 35 is coming. I can say like this also, daily temperature equal to, like this, and save it and run it, and you see like this we can get. So we are reading like this also, and I can delete value also. Suppose I delete like this temp and I say delete the key, daily key, for example, and then I print again this information. You will see the value has been deleted. If I run it, you see Delhi has been deleted, and again if I want to check if Delhi is deleted or not, I can check like this, and here I say check and I say temp and I say Delhi, like this, and now I just print the check here, like this, save it, like this, we declare. So this value will come here and it will check Delhi is available or not, and I run it. You see false, Delhi is not available because we have deleted. But if I want to check like Ghaziabad and I save it and I run it again, you see true is coming. So we can check also with this syntax, we can check that this is empty and this is the value which we are checking here. So we can check also, we can get the value also by passing a key in place of index. We can initialize also in a key value pair. So this is all about the mapping in Go languages. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.